Alright, so here's one way to get some sort of effect. So if you go ahead and you copy and duplicate your layer, you can add a filter to one layer like a Gaussian blur, for example. Here we're going to set this down just a little bit. Press OK. And now we're going to take our selection tool and we're going to start selecting kind of the rough area that we want. It's okay that it grabbed a lot of the picture because we can use our we can be a little bit more careful when we use our eraser tool to just get around the edges of the one that we want to highlight here. So we're looking for this image right here. So I'm going to use my eraser tool. I'm going to start erasing around that edge. I'm just going to be careful. So as we erase the top layer that's showing, it's going to show the sharper layer underneath. And you can use this effect on all sorts of different things, not just a blur, but make the image underneath color and everything else black and white. Just kind of playing around with layers a bit. So I'll hit Control D. And now we've got an image where we've got this object here, which is in a nice sharp view, and we've got a different kind of a filter on the rest of the images in the background. Just two layers.